Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have prerequisites ready, VS Code and the language extension installed. Open the project folder. This scopes IntelliSense and the debugger. First actionable step, set the entry file, then open the Run view and click Create a Launch configuration if prompted. This writes Launch. JSON so you can define program, args, and working directory. Once done, press the green Run button to start your program. This sets up the integrated terminal and attaches the debugger so you can step through code. Now configure runtime details so execution matches expectations. Open Launch. JSON to set program path, args, environment variables, and working directory. Use pre-launch task to run compilers or linters automatically. Toggle breakpoints at keylines, then run. The debugger will stop and let you inspect variables, watch expressions, and evaluate code. Use the call stack and step controls to understand flow. If you need builds or test tasks, add tasks. JSON, this ensures consistent, repeatable run. To finish, stop or restart the session and review the debug console for output and errors. Make sure the correct interpreter or runtime path is selected. Mismatched interpreters cause silent failures. If the program won't start, verify program path and working directory, then relaunch. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings seem wrong, regenerate launch. JSON or reload the window to clear workspace caches. This often resolves stale configs. Finally, make incremental changes and rerun to confirm each fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.